I'm a, it's a bad man thing. See, hey, his body, baby, oh Lord have his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me.
Are with Miss China, and this is another unit by HeraRemy, and this one here. So Miss China. So this unit here in this color, let's see, where should we start? Cap construction is big head friendly on this unit. So it is a comfortable cap, and guess what, ladies? We get a little extra room on the side. That is a big plus for me. I am finding, I don't know, I like coverage on the side with my units, especially if the wind blows. We don't want to be put on blast. This is a light yaki unit, very, very soft, cuddly, like cupcake weather type of soft. I love the texture on this unit. It is dark rooted, but it is not dark rooted throughout. So here is your parting space. While I'm at it, I did pluck in tweeze, just a very like small bit, girl, wasn't even that big a deal. Yeah, I do love the density on this unit, and what I love most is that the curls, they cooperate with each other. So I definitely appreciate that. So this is with all the hair to the front. The side, baby. Make me wanna send that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Very, very pretty. I don't know if I'm loving the color. Don't know if I'm really loving the color. I'm trying to step out my comfort zone again, ladies, which we all should do. But I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and try some different colors, you know, some blondes, you know, some stuff that I would never normally try. And where was I?
5 minutes later.
Oh yeah, so as far as the unit, beautiful unit. I love the texture on here. Parting space is great. I love that we get the dark roots up top, and I love the cap. It's a comfortable cap, soft Swiss lace. You can't beat that. Beautiful, beautiful unit.
However,
so biggest however with this unit is she does shed a little too much for my liking. So she does shed just a little bit. This is the amount of hair that I just pulled out. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I know a lot of times I'm always sitting here, you know, just kind of flicking my hair, girl. Just flicking it, but I do that to see how much shedding I get, and she does shed quite a bit. I do wish it was dark rooted all the way through, and overall, you know what, HeraRemy, y'all coming through. I see what y'all doing. I see you. I see you, HeraRemy. But I do think I'm ready for them to bring it. I'm ready to see some different styles. The last couple of wigs, besides Ariana, aka Miss Parker, I think besides that unit, they are just kind of looking just, you know, just a little, like, just a little. So if you guys are interested in Miss China, I'll definitely leave the information for HeraRemy down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. And you know what I say, ladies. No matter what you wear, what wig, what style, what cut or color, just make sure you wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
So if you give them, girl.